Let's welcome my audiences. Today we have Dr. Kabululu. He's from the National Plant Genetic Resources, where they conserve variety of crop species. Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. My name is Dr. Kabululu. I'm a Genebank manager working with the National Plant Genetic Resources Center. And you asked me about the materials or the diversity that we have on maize. Yes, we have. Maize is one of the most important crop in Tanzania, and we have a huge amount of diversity with maize. We have so many varieties, so many accessions with different characteristics, different colors, and this signifies the huge amount of nutritious materials for nutrition, and also it signifies the diversity of culture that we have in Tanzania.
Yes, good. So maize is very important in your country. What is the significant use of maize?
Yes, maize is one of the main staple food in Tanzania. Actually, you find maize is made to have what we call steamed porridge, and in our local language we call it ugali. So you find it in every household, you have every meal, every table. So it's one of the very important crop for food security, but also for commercial businesses and so forth.
Do these colors in maize reflect any nutritional values or medicinal values? What is it?
Yes, actually, when you look on the type of the material that we have in the country, we have different colors: red, black, white. So every color and having the diverse of colors, it signifies that we have a huge amount of nutritious material that we can use and help the community.
That's very good. So having you conserving these maize varieties and so many other land races, what's really the bottom line of it? What's the purpose?
Yes, I would like to point out this today so that everyone should know that we have a huge amount of the materials that we have collected from the community. We have them in our gene bank, but we're also working with the communities of what we call the community seed bank and the on-farm. So we are keeping them in our national gene bank in Arusha, but also we are working with the community to make sure that these materials are found within the community, and this can be used anytime now, but also in the future. So I would like to welcome everyone to understand and to know that we have these materials.
Let's just get the point, because you're saying you're conserving. And what if we don't conserve? And do you conserve them for history? It's like a museum or what? Can you tell us?
Thank you very much for that good question. And we are conserving this material not as a museum, but we are conserving this material so that we can use it for research, but also for food. So the materials that we have here is for the community, and we are conserving them, and we are sure that we can keep them for as much time that we have, for very long time. So whenever we want to use these materials, it is available for the community.
Hold on, you mean you conserve them for quite some time, maybe generations to come? And how do you manage to do that? Or it's just for a certain period of time, and after all, probably they will die off and you'll not be able to use them, or what?
We have a very important and good infrastructure that we can keep these materials and they can stay for generations to come. Actually 50, 70, even more. We have a very special refrigerators that can keep the materials and they can stay for long. So we can use those materials this generation, but also the coming generation.
Audience, I think you've heard about it. It is not a small job, it's very important. And Dr. Bull, we commend you for your good and nice job. You are really doing something very important for the nation. in terms of food security and nutrition. We really appreciate your time and hope to see you time and again when we need you. I hope you'll be available for us.
Very well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.